Hello YouTube, it's we here again. Today we have a little installation. This one is on the FA-120 R3, but it's the same installation goes for the FG-19 R3, which is the gas version. This is a backplate, the Morris Mini Motors modification backplate we going to install on this engine. So it's exactly the same as well. This modification on this backplate is a standalone. This one do not feed the crankcase with lubrication, so we still strongly recommend you using Saito recommended oil percentage, which is 20:1. We're just gonna show you just a sneak through because a lot of people still get confused when they receive the kit. So we already removed the original Saito backplate. Now we're going to install the modification one. So Mr. Bobby's, whenever you're ready. Usually the engines are quite dry, so Bob likes to add a little bit of oil in to get a little bit wet inside. There you go, and we already fitted the gasket. Remember, when you're installing the where you're gonna mount the carburetor to the back, those screws have to be pointed to number one. I think there's two grub screw on it, one to secure the heat spacer and one to secure the carburetor. So it needs to be pointed to number one cylinder. Okay, and make sure you have all the O-rings and necessarily fitting on the intake tubes.
Sometimes a little bit of grease on that, just hold it in place.
Yeah, a little tip for the gasket that goes on the backplate as well. If you add a bit of oil or grease to kind of keep it sticky, so it keeps the screw hole clear when you're installing it. And these are the original screws that actually remove. We're just gonna reuse them back. So quite simple process. As well, this kit would fit the FA-90, which is the smallest of the glow version, and the FA-120, and the FG-19 R3, which is the petrol version. As well, this kit already been modified internally, so there is no modification need to be done to the engine in order to get it to fit or work. The reason of the upgrade on this backplate is the bottom cylinders with the standard format would be flooded with excess fuel that they can't use. This kit kind of allow all cylinders to be scavenged for the center of the crankcase for their own supply of fuel, so you wouldn't cause any hydrolock, what the Saito 60 suffer from a lot as well. So this will smooth out the mid-range, give you less fuel to burn out of the bottom cylinders. And we're gonna keep the video quite short because it's just the backplate we're just gonna show, and the installation on the backplate. So what you do go wrong, you tighten up all the screws and you install your bracket, install your carburetor, and you should be pretty much ready to run. This one is a glow engine that we're doing, and so on the front you could see there's a magnet ring there. So this is a glow to gas conversion. So we'll be fitting a FG-19 carburetor onto this engine to get it running on petrol. So I think I'm just going to end the video there now, because everyone should understand how to install their engine mount. Okay, so stay tuned for more great videos to come. Alright, cheers.